Today we're gonna be making a really cute hanging mini album for 3 photos 3 by 4 inches in a drawer box. You will find all the measurements in inches and in centimeters as well down below in the description area. You asked it and here it is! For the drawer base, I used a red cardstock to match with the colors of the paper kit I used to decorate the album. I used 200 GSM weight to construct the album, but you can definitely use heavier cardstock. We burnish well with a bone folder all the scored parts. We turn the paper in this way and we repeat the same process. I put double-sided tape in these small flaps that I created, but you can definitely use your hot glue gun or liquid glue. I turn the paper on the other side and put double-sided tape on these parts as shown. I'm using my Sizzix die pickup tool to help me remove the tape. And now I am forming the drawer box. The box is ready. Now I'm going to add a ribbon as a hanging in my album. The papers and these cute elements I chose to decorate my album is by Knitwit Collections, and the kit is called Ladies and Gentlemen. The link to this collection is down below in the description area. I am using a removable tape on the back of these 3 white papers with a camera stamp on them, because in this way we can easily peel off these papers to stick our photos. They measure 3 by 4 inches. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!